بعدين اكتشفت كومبلكس فراكتل، بقيت هيك اشوف الفيديوهات بحاول اني افهم الاستراتيجيه من الفيديوهات. كانت في صعوبات في البدايه، مثلا بفتح الشارت بهذا الشكل، ما بعرف من وين ببلش من هون من هون، ما كانت عندي رؤيه واضحه. بعدين قلت اوكي خليني ببلش اخذ الدوره معهم، اشوف كيف الوضع. Alright folks, welcome to this new video. So today we have a quick breakdown. I was checking the pictures and the examples you have sent, and I come across this one sent by Omar. It's very nice trade right here. So if you pay attention, he take this movement right here, okay, and when he scale it right here, it was the same one in this way, and he has this two double bottoms or double tops, I don't know, in this way with the trend line and then strong uptrend, okay, and from there we know that the price of gold reaches this area right here. So I want to confirm this also, and how we execute this trade right here yesterday on gold on the 1 minute chart. So Umar takes this fractal right here on the 15-minute chart, this one, from this low to this high right here, okay? So this one right here, we have a lower low, and we have right here a lower low, and we have this movement in this way, we have this movement in this way. So from here he expects that the price will go up. So right here our take profit should be right here, okay? We can't let's say we take all this movement, okay, because we don't know where to stop, okay? Maybe you stop right here, right here, right here, but at least we know that this high will get broken, okay? So that's why our take profit, without any other confirmation, our take profit should be right here, okay? We can't exceed and put, I don't know, cut for example all this movement right here, okay, and when we scale, let's say, and we scale in this way and expect that the price will reach from here, this area is right here, without any other confirmation. So the only confirmed target is this high right here, okay? So this is our confirmed take profit without any other confirmations, okay? But if we go to the 1 hour chart right here, so we talked before about this Y model right here, okay? We said that this movement is a Y model. So when we scale our fractal right here, okay, I will put the highs right there, hello. Okay, so we already know and talked before about this one, is this one right here, and then we have a downtrend, and now we have this uptrend right here, and then we are now on this pullback, and then now we expect that the price will go up. So now, instead of just taking this area right here as a take profit, it will be this one, using this confirmation right here, okay, from this Y model, okay, because right now this becomes a Y model, okay. So we'll break this low because of this Y model right here, okay. And for the trade of yesterday on the 1 minute chart, so this was our fractal right here, okay. So this was our fractal. If we pay attention, we will see that right here we have this trend line. The price goes and break this trend line, and of course without breaking this low right here, so we have this range, this small range right here to execute our order. So it was the same thing right here. We have this trend line, we have the breakout of this trend line the same way right here, and our stop loss will be at this low right here, okay. And from there we will target this high, and we'll target this high right here, okay. Because let's consider we don't have any other confirmations that the price will go higher, so in the normal way our take profit will be right here, okay. And also, since we are doing right now breakdown, let's talk about the short position from here. So before we talk about about the advanced fractal, we said that the advanced fractal is in this way. We have an uptrend, for example, and then we switch to a downtrend, okay? So we said that we found the advanced fractal right here on the last pullback on the uptrend. That will give us this movement right here, okay? The overview of this movement right here. So if we will zoom in right here, we'll see that we have this movement, for example, that is similar to this movement right here, okay? So this is the advanced fractal we talk about. Go back right here. We have an uptrend, the price start going down. How we know that the price will start going down from this area right here? Very easy, because already we know always we'll come back to this Y model right here. So you see right here, after this movement right here and this movement right here, the price goes on strong uptrend, 60% pullback, and then he starts going on a downtrend. So the same thing right here, 60% pullback, and then the price goes on strong downtrend, okay? So we know that the price right here is going on a downtrend, okay? So if we go back right here to the 5 minute time frame, we will see that this is an uptrend. Our last pullback will be this one. So when we take this pullback, okay, for example on the 3 minute chart, so we'll cut this movement. We said that we don't know that the price will go up, okay? So this one don't give us a confirmation that the price will go down, okay? We just can take short positions or just can have an idea about the picture of the trend right here, okay? So if we zoom in this one, and we'll take Fibonacci retracement from this high to this low, what we have right here, we have a 50% pullback. So let's check this one. From this high to this low, we have 50% pullback. That's why on Monday, I think, or Tuesday, on Monday, we take this short position right here, okay? Using the advanced fractal, okay? So this is an overview of the gold chart. That's it all for today. See you next time.